Did you know that over 60% of professionals admit to losing opportunities because of grammar mistakes in their writing? That's right, typos and clunky sentences can cost big bucks. But here's the good news. You can swoop in like a grammar superhero and save the day, all with ChatGPT by your side. Welcome back to 3 ways to earn with ChatGPT. Today, we're diving into how you can earn by offering grammar checking and editing services. Let's turn your attention to detail into a steady income stream. Why grammar checking is a goldmine. Whether it's emails, reports, blog posts, or even social media captions, the demand for polished writing is massive. Businesses, students, and even authors need someone to fine-tune their work. That someone could be you, armed with the power of AI. How ChatGPT simplifies the process. ChatGPT isn't just a writing tool. It's your virtual editor. Here's how to use it. Paste a client's text into ChatGPT and prompt, "Proofread this for grammar, spelling, and sentence structure." Ask for suggestions. Rewrite this paragraph to make it more professional. Refine tone. Make this text sound more formal, engaging, conversational. In seconds, you'll have a polished draft ready to impress. Add a human touch. While ChatGPT does the heavy lifting, your personal touch is what sets your service apart. Double-check the AI's work, tweak it for flow and context, and ensure it matches the client's tone and intent. This combination of AI speed and human expertise is a winning formula. Who needs your service? Practically everyone. Target clients like students submitting essays and theses, job seekers polishing resumes and cover letters, small businesses crafting emails, proposals, or website copy, content creators improving blogs and articles. Where to find clients? Get your services out there by listing on Fiverr or Upwork, offering free first edits on LinkedIn to showcase your skills, partnering with local businesses or schools for bulk editing needs. How to set your rates? Start with competitive pricing. $10 to $15 for small pieces like emails or captions, and $50+ for larger projects like essays or business proposals. As you gain experience, you can charge premium rates for detailed editing services. Why this idea works? Grammar matters, and polished writing makes a huge difference. With ChatGPT cutting down your workload, you can handle multiple clients efficiently while delivering high-quality edits. It's a service in constant demand and perfect for scaling up. So, are you ready to become the grammar guru the world needs? If you're excited to jump into this opportunity, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the funniest grammar mistake you've ever seen? Stay tuned for more genius ideas in 3 ways to earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, keep editing, keep earning, and keep it error-free.